Today we get to make a New Year's classic zampone with lenticchie. They bring good luck. Happy New Year! It's the first of 2024, so we're gonna do a classic first of the year Italian recipe, and it is zampone con le lenticchie, which is zampone with lentils. I mean, this recipe is traditionally from Emilia-Romagna, but it's kind of spread throughout the whole of central Italy, and it's tradition in my family, so I'm gonna share with you our recipe. And now for the ingredients, we start off with the zampone, which is the pig's trotter, and it's filled with the delicious meat. And I'm gonna show you how it's cooked, super easy. Actually, it kind of comes slightly pre-cooked for you, so you just need to boil it. And then for the lentils, obviously, we need the lentils. And then for the soffritto, we have the carrots, the onion, the celery, a little bit of salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. You can also add some herbs if you want to. We're keeping it nice and simple, but you can add some marjoram, some thyme, or some rosemary if you so like. For the soffritto, the usual thing, you can of course use a blender, or you can cut it by hand. I prefer by hand because it creates a little bit less liquids in the pot, and you want small sizes. You're gonna do that for the carrot, you're gonna do that for the celery, and you're gonna do that for the onions. Start off good extra virgin olive oil from the farm. And this is the time where if you want, you can put your herbs or garlic. We're just gonna put our soffritto.
I bet loads of ingredients. I'm gonna give this a mix.
After 5 minutes, in with the lentils. And on the side, we got some boiling water, and we start adding a couple of ladles. Oh yeah. And this was gonna cook slowly, few ladles at a time. With a little bit of patience. Pinch of salt. Lid on. And with this one, you need to keep an eye on it. I mean, it's a bit of a labor of love, but it's totally worth it. And when you see that the water has pretty much been absorbed by the lentils, we add another couple of ladles. And of course, the ladles needs to be of boiling water, so it keeps temperature of your lentils the same. Lid on, and we check it in 10 minutes. And it's time for the zampone. So the way it comes from the box is vacuum sealed, like so. And it's actually really simple to cook because, well, they've done most of the work for you. So you need one of these long containers, fill it up with water, wait until it boils, and then you gently put this thing in it until it's fully immersed. And then you put the lid on, 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna do a little tweak to the original recipe, which makes it buonissimo. All right, so 30 minutes, this is cooked. So we cut just a corner because fluids, juices, will have formed, so we need to take this out. Now, traditionally, this is just sliced and served, but I want to do things a little bit different this time. So I'm gonna make it into cylindrical portions. And then we're gonna give it a beautiful sear on the pan. Become nice and caramelized and crunchy. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Oof. The zampone is caramelized, we warmed up the lentils, so it's time to serve. Usually this is served in a bed of lentils, which is what we're gonna do today. And lentils have so many meanings in the Italian tradition. They bring mainly good luck in the form of money. So it's tradition for the first of the year to have lentils to wish for a prosperous year ahead. And on top, the zampone. And this is our finished plate. And to finish it off, of course, you need the right olive oil. to bring all the flavors together. We're gonna use the variety Dolce Goggia. We're just gonna oil it like that. Oof, this is fantastic. So of course we need to taste if it's good. So let's not ruin this. Let's just have a bite of the one here. Ooh. Let's grab the leftover lenticchie. Delicioso. Happy New Year, guys.